Hey guys, welcome to another video here at Geekslaw. So in this video, we'll be looking on how to create an awesome text effect that we will be using basically linear wipe effect in the text with an awesome gloss and bloom font. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is go to Google and search for gloss and bloom font. So this is the font that basically we will going to use for awesome effect on text. So once it opens, you can see this is the text that we'll be using. So here is the download option. Click on download, and this will be a zip file. So once it is downloaded, click on show in folder or directly open. So click on this type font file. So this will ask to install. So click on install. So once done, this will be installed, and you can use. Then next step we will be going to Filmora. So now open Filmora. So go to full feature mode, and once it opens, drag any video that you would like to put that effect on, and just add any text. So you can basically add any text from here in this text bar, and you can use a plain text to add it. I will be using this, so add it to the timeline, and just expand and click on it so that you can edit it, and just search for gloss and bloom. As you can see, I found a gloss and bloom, and edit the content. As you can see, the text has been implemented. You can also add animations to give an awesome effect, so that so the animation that we'll be using uh, so it is so it will be either you can use erase or linear wipe. So we'll be using linear wipe. So as you can see, this gives an awesome effect. uh, uh, so let's just write awesome, and let's now see how it plays. And so let's play it again, and let's see how the linear wipe effect plays. So as you can see, the linear wipe effect has been implemented in this text. So that's it guys with this video on creating an awesome text effect using linear wipe and gloss and bloom font. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content.